I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. Altering scrapbooking papers has been an obsession of mine this year. I'm sure you've noticed. I've had numerous videos on the topic. Since I watched Patricia and Mariah of pmartiststudio alter some scrapbooking papers, I have been intrigued with it ever since. These were scrapbooking papers that were Halloween. But if you alter scrapbooking papers, you don't have to use them for any particular season. Even though I've got some sort of Halloween-y type motifs in here, I don't think anyone would ever notice them. These are the tags that I developed using those scrapbooking papers. I've added Deco Foil to these. I've added some stamping, some colored pencil, some paint. I think they're super easy, a lot of fun. Let me show you how I made these. We're going to try this rainbow colored Deco Foil on this one. I've got two of them there. I like to burnish with a spoon. I just think it works out well for me. And it's a cheap supply. Oh, I think this is going to be lovely. Alright, I think we can pull it. Oh my gosh. Look how kind of cool that is. Okay. Oh, yeah. That is gorgeous. Got a couple spots here that I need to fill in, though. It's subtle, but I think it'll work. So I added in the edges. And this is the tree that I use. Now, this tree I cut It does not come with the set. This tree does. You can cut your own if you want to. I just wanted a more defined tree. So I think what we'll do is just kind of come down and around some of this, just to define this shape a little bit more. Okay, we're going to use this angled bristle brush, and I just added a little bit of white paint to my palette, and we're just going to dab this paint on to make it look like this tree has some snow on it. And let's just use, this is just a baby blue, and just add in a blue tinge here and there, not everywhere. I think we'll splatter a little bit of snow onto this. So let's get this good and running. The runnier it is, the more splatters you'll get. I'm going to add in some of my lines again. I'm just going to kind of wiggle them in, just kind of like that. I think that works. I'm pretty happy with that. I think we're going to put a little bit of a white highlight in here on these tree trunks. We don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to kind of wash it in so that we can still see some of the green and definitely the rainbow. Okay, let's add this feature stripe. I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to go back, redefine some of these shapes. Basically, that's what I'm going to do, so I'll finish that up off camera. I'm going to take this neon red right into the ends of this. I'll finish that up off camera. So once I got this accomplished, I didn't like how this was light around the outside edge, so I'm going to go around it, and I pulled out this black raspberry. I think this black raspberry is going to be very close in color to this background. Yeah, I think that ties it together a little bit more. I'm going to use this indigo from Faber-Castell, and I'm just going to go back over the top of it, and it's just going to add some depth. I actually like that. I think that looks pretty darn good. Yeah, I think I will do this. I'm going to go very lightly over the top of it, just to kind of blend those two colors together a little bit more with a little bit of a white. And I'm hardly even touching it. I'm just blending those two colors together a little bit. It just kind of pulls it together a little bit more without losing the integrity of the poinsettias. These are the resulting tags from today's session. This one is obviously a tree. Added my little snowman. This one, even though it has poinsettias and the poinsettia motif over here with the Deco Foil, I think I could use this year-round. I don't think it's just Christmas related. This one is actually pretty Christmas oriented, but look how cool that looks with the Deco Foil, and I just, as you saw in the video, I just kind of smooshed it across it and left it just kind of random, and I absolutely love it. This one is definitely fall themed, but wouldn't this be fun to put some lettering along the side and send to somebody as a fall card? This guy, we've got aspen trees here, our little snowman, and then Halloween in the background. Hello, do you even notice it? And this one we have the rainbow trees and this little white snowman. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.